In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how I made $50,230 just by promoting affiliate links on Twitter. And as you can see over here in my balance, it's showing $50,230. This is all profit just promoting affiliate links using free traffic from Twitter. And in today's video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step my method. I will show you new affiliate link that you should promote on Twitter if you want to earn commission like this. This will be trending and new affiliate link, and a lot of people are searching for this affiliate link on Twitter. Let's get started. Okay, so for beginners who are new to Fiverr affiliate and you want to make money with Fiverr affiliate, what you will do, you will go first to Google, you will search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so what you will do, you will come to this page and you just need to scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, it's gonna take you to this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, boost your earning by driving traffic to Fiverr. It's easy. What you will do, click over here on join now. Okay, but before we do that, let's scroll down to show you commission. So because they are really paying a lot of money for those services. If we scroll down, you can see over here commission plan, and you can see over here that you can earn up to $150 if just one person buy service from your affiliate link. You can earn up to $115. That's really a lot of money. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliate, just go back to this home page, click on join now. So just click on join now and you will be directly in this page. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate is super easy and simple. So just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. You will answer few questions over here and choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, just click on next and that's it. You just need to follow a few steps. It's really easy and simple. Anyone can sign up. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr. Now I want you to pay attention. I will share with you which service you should promote on Twitter to get commission. Click over here on the search for video editor. Video editing or video editor, it's the same. Just search for video editing like this. Scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. So always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 2 seller, level 1 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. If people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna choose this one. This one is a really top rated seller. He has 5 stars, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this, as you can see. So what you need to do, you need to copy his profile link. Copy his profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here. So let me show you. Click on marketing tools, click on default and tip links, and click over here again. Put this profile seller link here, click over here, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to go to Twitter to promote this affiliate link on Twitter. I'm gonna show you how you can do it step by step. If you don't have an account on Twitter yet, go to Google, search for Twitter like this, and click on the first link over here. Sign up by using your email address to Twitter. It's easy and simple and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, as you can see over here. So what you will do, you just need to click over here on the search, okay, and search for I need editor. search for I need editor, and here you go. As you can see, this person just posted this tweet today. As you can see, it's just 5 hours ago. Okay, I need video editor, budget $15, looking for video editor. Okay, if we scroll down, need editor Fortnite that I can pay when when the montage is done. This one is also looking for video editor. I need video editor ASAP, willing to pay. I need one editor. I need video editor. A lot of people here are searching for video editor. So what you will do, so for example this one, you will click over here on reply, and you need to reply to this person that he is looking for video editor. What you will do, you will go back to this seller page on Fiverr and you will copy. Okay, let's scroll down. You should see over here about this gig. So you need to copy. So let's see, I can professional. I will copy this part. So make sure to copy good parts or title, or you can make your own title for this person to reply. I'm gonna use this one as an example. Okay, I can do professional video editing and post-production or film. Okay, what you will do next, you will put your affiliate link here, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here, go to Twitter, put this affiliate link here like this, click over here. Okay, click on reply, and here you go. Let me see. So your reply will be sent like this to this person who is looking for a video editor. I can do professional video editing and post-production of film, short clips, music videos, promotion. This title is really good. Make sure to use a good and attractive title for your affiliate link. Okay, so if this person is still looking for a video editor, this one will be, he will click. So for example, if he click on my affiliate link like this, let me show you an example. If he click like on my affiliate link, he will be directly in this Fiverr profile page seller. He will scroll down. If he click on continue and he buy this service, I will earn commission. It's easy and simple, easy money. Okay, and make sure to promote a lot of services, because there are a lot of people here are searching for a video editor. Okay, like I show you, as you can see. Okay, so I hope this video, guys, is helpful for you, and make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment, let me know if you want me to share more services with you that I was promoting on Twitter. I can make more videos and share with you all services that I was promoting to get commission with Fiverr affiliates. And thank you so much for watching.